Let's talk about electrician pay in Sierra Leone. The average electrician income in Sierra Leone is around 1,390 US dollars a year. After tax, that drops to $1,180, which leaves you with a take-home pay of roughly $98 each month. Electrician wages are usually higher in big cities, so if you work in Freetown, you can bring home $1,390 after tax. Pay outside the main cities is lower than this, but lower living costs help balance things out. Starting electrician salary in Sierra Leone stays below the national average, though pay goes up as you gain skills early in your career. Income often stops growing later on, unless you move into a supervisory role. On top of that, having a university degree makes a big difference, which is why a formal education helps you move up into higher paying roles like electrical engineer or project manager. Finally, you can earn more money if you learn specialized skills like industrial wiring or high voltage systems.